Hi, my name is Beth and Dali.
My name is Thomas. I live in Torquay.
My name is Elma.
My name is Chris.
So we're at the Arts Factory in Ferndale, which is a supported environment then teaching people the skills for volunteering roles or employability skills. The classes that I've delivered here are all geared towards lifelong learning for learners with profound learning disabilities.
I like it out. I go on a Monday and a Thursday and a Friday. And I done a lot more courses with Janelle. So like manhandling, food and hygiene, and this course diversity on. Basically I like coming here. It's good atmosphere, good banter sometimes, and to keep me out with the house like.
Well, I love the staff over here. Janelle is one person I love the indoor. She's more inspiring, caring, generous. We all help each other for learning for people who've got disability and people who got with speech.
Over the years, we've struggled to find courses for our team that have learning difficulties. So from meeting with Adult Learners Wales, they have made bespoke courses that our learners need to learn around topics that we know can be a struggle during the daily working life here. So we run courses all on subjects that they can benefit from in their day-to-day life.
Well, I come over here on a Wednesday and a Friday, so we can work on computers. Computers is helping you how to learn to read, and when you're reading stuff on computers, you can type it out.
I like my job here. I do on computers, I do. I like doing it all the time. It's great too. I'm glad coming up here. I'm happy.
We have to be flexible because of the nature of the learners, because they are profound learning and we have complex needs. So very often we have to differentiate to extreme levels because we've got different levels of learning in the class. But they are extremely flexible as individuals are and as learners.
The beauty of this course and the training that they do is they do it as a team and they work together on other days here outside of this course. So it's a unique opportunity which gives them the benefit that going to college wouldn't give them.
Some of the learners have actually said to me that their end goal is actually getting paid employment, and that's what we are obviously instilling in this environment here in the Arts Factory, and more so for Addysg Oedolion Cymru, Adult Learning Wales, that we are giving these learners lifelong learning skills that they will be able to live independently in the community.
It's so interesting as you come into the class to build another life for everyone, to make it beautiful. It's all about the community of the Arts Factory.
As a community organisation, we're in the heart of Ferndale offering opportunities to everybody from all walks of life, whether that be training, volunteering, upskilling themselves, building their confidence. So, the heart of the community needs the courses in the community.